Hello students, our today's topic is create number ranges for vendor account. For that we can use transaction code XKN1 or by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Accounts Receivable and Accounts Payable, Supplier Account, Master Data, Preparation for creating Supplier Master Data, create number ranges for vendor accounts. We will create a number range in SAP system. SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Accounts Receivable and Payable, Supplier Account, Master Data, Preparations for creating and create number ranges for vendor account. Click on Change Interval button and now we will see which intervals are free. So click on Free Intervals, then click on Continue button. Here are only 3 number ranges showing. We will use Z1 and Z2. Or we'll try to create our number range. Insert button, Z1 20011 and 29999. Press enter. Z1 is interlap with AX. Okay. I will delete this because this is NR status is 0. Z1 is created or not? Okay, Z1 is created. Next, Z2. Again, insert line. We will give Z2. Five lakhs to 500399. Press enter. Okay. Z1, Z2 created. Then again click on plus button and we will create Z3 for integer paths 1 2 3 4 5 6 and click on external, then press enter. Z3 okay, I will delete this. Z1, Z2, Z3. Okay, our 3 number ranges are created for local, foreign and one-time customer. Now click on save button, click on continue button. Now we will assign these number ranges to vendor account groups. Click on assign number ranges to vendor account groups. Click on position, enter our group. ZT, V1, Z1, Z2, and Z3. Press enter, click on save button, then click on create request, enter your description, TRE1, assign number ranges to vendor account group. Now click on save button and then click on continue button.